I just bought this PC for $230. And to be honest, it's a pretty good deal. Behind here, there is an i9 9900K, 32 gigabytes of 3000 megahertz DDR4 RAM, a motherboard that I can't remember, and a GPU, which I'm probably gonna change as well. The only thing missing here is a SSD and probably a better graphics card. Okay, so here's the plan. I bought this PC for $230 and I'm gonna change the GPU and the case. I mean, it looks okay, but yeah, there's no glass panel on the side. So I think I'm gonna change it. So yeah, I'm gonna change the GPU because this is a pretty old GPU. But yeah, other than that, I think this is a pretty good deal. And this is also episode 4, where I'm flipping my way from 250 to 2500. And if you haven't watched the other episodes, I highly recommend you do. They're pretty awesome. And I'm currently at a budget of $565 for this episode. So enjoy. A week ago, I bought a whole lot of components, which one of them included RTX 4060. Now, I wasn't really supposed to buy this one. I was just supposed to buy the other specs that he had. But he offered me this card for $170, which I obviously said yes to because I think it's a pretty good price for a 4060. So I think I'm gonna change this GPU with this one and then change the case and maybe add some sleeve cables as well. Okay, so I'm just looking at a few different cases, or a few different case options, which I thought I would show you guys along. Now, the first one that I've been looking at is this one. This should be a full ATX case, which comes included with 5 RGB fans. I think it looks pretty cool, but it also looks like every other PC flipper's case. The second one is this one. I've built in this one before, and I really like how it looks. Yeah, there should be enough space for a 240 AIO on the top. I also included this one in white if I wanted to do the white build with white sleeve cables. Again, I'm gonna reuse the AIO, so yeah, I don't know if it's gonna look cool. I also thought of this one. In this one, I would add some white and blue sleeve cables if I wanted to do this one. Yeah, so that's all of my 4 options. I don't know which one I'm gonna choose yet, but I kind of have a vibe that this one would look better in this case. So I chose the Salmon i3 Neo in black, and I just thought this would be the best fit for this kind of build with this AIO as well. And also the price was pretty reasonable. So it comes with 4 RGB fans, and there's potentially room in the back for more fans, and obviously on the top as well. So I'm a really big fan of this case, to be honest, and yeah, I think it was a great choice. But now that I had the new case and the new vision for this build, it was time to do the actual rebuild. So we probably need to add the CPU cable before we attach the AIO. So I was considering taking the all black or the black and blue. And I chose to go all black. Fuck. Oh. Damn. Oop. Right, take a look at this. Intel blah blah blah, gigabyte RAM, detected devices, M.2, 970 Pro 1 terabyte. I bought this PC without an SSD and without a terabyte. I just connected one here in the back. It should be able to just to turn it on. It looks amazing. Like, I really like how this looks. But maybe there's 1 terabyte SSD downloaded with Windows on. Really? This is too good to be true. This is probably worth like $100 or something, or $80 at least. And I might have just got this for free. Ubuntu. What the fuck is this? Okay, I'm trying to do like a new Windows, like install Windows again on the M.2 and hopefully fix whatever the was wrong before. So yeah, we'll see. It should be all formatted, this one, and should be nothing on it. We'll see, fingers crossed. I might just have saved $80. Holy, I just got a free 1 terabyte SSD. I got it for free. They forgot to take it out of the case. And now I have Windows installed. Oh my, this is insane. Jesus. Alright, so I bought the PC, the original PC, for $240. I then bought the RTX 4060 for another $170. In the rebuild, I bought a new case for $60. And I then spent $20 on the sleeve cables and another $15 on the Windows key, which leaves the total cost of the PC at $505. I then listed the PC for $720. And I got a bunch of offers, and to be honest, there were a lot of people who wanted to buy the PC. I guess it's because of the RGB, and apparently the RTX 4060 was a pretty popular build. It's just like the mid-range. So I actually sold it for the asking price like pretty quickly, within a few days, which leaves the total profit at $215. I'm pretty sure this is the biggest profit that I've had on this series yet. That's pretty cool. Hopefully we can keep this like profit area for the next video. This leaves the new budget for episode 5, $780 for episode 5, I believe it is. So yeah, that's pretty cool.